Okay, hi guys. So welcome to our new improved coffee bar. So maybe I'll give you a quick tour about all of these machines. So basically this is our espresso setup. Okay. So first we store our beans in a vacuum canister. Okay. And we also have a coffee grinder, single dose coffee grinder. Then we have our espresso machine and all of these barista kit and accessories. We have the coffee weighing scale, tamping mat. We have our mid jug. We have some latte cup, okay, and nut box to dispose your coffee ground. Okay. And we also have zeros for your latte, hot or ice you can make for your sweetener. And you'll notice there are two sets of portafilter here. So I have here two. This is your portafilter, your portafilter basket. So there's a difference. This one is single wall and dual wall. So for beginners, I will show you as simple as I can for how to operate all of this machine for making your espresso and latte. Okay, so for advanced, we'll skip this one. So we will not use this one. I put it aside. Alright, so here's your dual wall basket and your black portafilter. Make sure you use the black. Okay, and just insert it here. Okay, so by the way, it's already our default for our espresso machine, so it's already inserted here. Okay, maybe I'll show you how to insert. Okay, so there's an indicator to insert here. Insert here, then slide. Okay, then remove, slide. Okay, alright. Okay, for espresso, our grinder is calibrated at grind size 17. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, this is 17. It's 20. I see the grinder indicator here at the bottom. For espresso, move it to grind size 17. That's our range. Okay. Okay, for beginners, I will try to make it very simple for making espresso and latte. So, okay, so let's start. First, here's our weighing scale. Okay, to turn on the weighing scale, there's a switch here. Okay. Then if you want it to put on standby, just hold the pair button, the right button at standby. Then if you want to turn it on, just press again the pair button. So let's weigh some beans. So by the way, please use the small dosing cup. Okay, and put it here. Then press the tail button to zero it up. Then I have here the vacuum canister. To open this, press the button in the middle. Then so you can now open. Then pour your coffee beans in the dosing cup. So my recipe is 17 grams. So I already calibrated this machine for 17 grams. So it's not actually 17 grams, it can be 16.9 or 17.1, it's okay. Okay, 17.1. Then to close this one, then you need to twist until you notice the small hole around here. Okay, so you'll notice the green one means already sealed. So the reason why we use vacuum canisters to keep the coffee beans fresh longer. Okay. Okay, next, let's turn on our machine. Plug in. Okay, your coffee beans in the dosing cup, in the grinder hopper, then close, then dosing cup in the chute, then turn on. There's a switch here, turn on, turn off. Okay. Turn on. And turn off the waste wheel and set it aside. Okay, keep your filter basket dry and clean. Okay, once you hear the sound becomes different, it means all the beans have been grinded already. So you can now turn off. There's your coffee ground. Shake it a little bit to level it. Okay, then we transfer the coffee grounds to our portafilter. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. Your dosing cup and the portafilter on the top fits perfectly. Then you turn it upside down. Okay. Then tap it a couple of times. Okay. Your dosing cup in the grinder. And that's your coffee ground, then just level it with your hands. Then use the tamper. Okay. Clean up. Now we are brushing here. Let's clean up. Okay, after pumping. Okay, so after that, make sure your espresso machine has water in the water tank. Okay, you can remove this, but I think it's easier to remove the tank cover and use your milk jug to get some filtered water here. Make sure you pour only the filtered water, okay, not the tap water. Up to the max level. Okay. Then insert your portafilter to your espresso machine. let's turn on. Press any of these three buttons, the single shot, double shot, and the steam button, any of these three. When the light stops, that's ready. So let's get our latte cup. Okay. If you notice, it's too far from the portafilter is too far from the latte cup. So what I do is I have here the coffee podium. Okay. Put it under to raise the cap. Okay, so just press the double shot. So this recipe is double shot. So use the double shot button. So when I press the double shot button, it will start to pre-infuse the coffee ground, brew, extract the espresso. And it will stop on a certain amount or yield. Okay, let's start. Then remove the coffee podium. Spin up, okay? Oh, there's your espresso. Then let's dispose the coffee ground. So just unlock. Okay, and then knock it to the knockbox. Okay. Couple of times. Okay. Then insert your portafilter to espresso machine. Then run blank shot. Press the double shot button to clean. Okay, so it's already clean. That's it. Okay, next we steam the milk. Okay. Here's our milk jug. Make sure you only pour up to the max level. Okay. Okay, this espresso machine has automatic milk steaming or milk frothing, so you can program how much froth and the temperature. So there is a sensor here. Make sure it's dry before using. Leave your steam one. Make sure it's dry. Insert your milk jug. Then put it down. Make sure the sensor is touching the milk jug. Okay. Temperature up to 3 bars, so let's set to the default 2. Then the froth, let's set to 2 bar. Okay, then insert your milk jug, then press the steaming button once. It will steam and stop after it reaches the temperature and your froth level. Okay, so let's start. After the steaming button stops the blinking, then your milk is ready. So okay, let's now remove the milk jar. Have your paper towel, just wipe it, put some little water, just damp cloth or paper towel damp, then just wipe the steam one. So you have to do this immediately, otherwise the milk will stick in the one. Okay, so when you put it down, it will auto purge the rest of the milk. Okay, it will clean it by itself. Okay, so here's your milk, and then just give it a few tap and spin, and your espresso. Give it a quick swirl and pour your steam milk. Okay, here's your latte. Okay, so to turn off the machine, just press the single shot and the steam one at the same time. It's already off. Okay, alright. So that's for the beginners. Hi guys, so for this video tutorial, I will be showing you how to make your espresso manually using the Breville Bambino Plus. And we also have a niche zero grinder. Okay. So let's start with the portafilter. So I will not be using the dual wall basket. So I will be using a single wall. Okay. So let's preheat our machine first. So let's turn on our machine by pressing any of these three buttons. Okay, insert your portafilter. Then let's use the coffee podium to raise our cup. Okay. Then I will press the double shot button. Okay, so let's weigh our coffee beans now. So by the way, my recipe is 17 grams. Okay, 17 grams. Then yung coffee beans in the grinder hopper. Then I will not use the large dosing cup for the niche one. Then I will use the smaller one which fits in my portafilter. I will just put it inside. Okay, then here and put it in your grinder. That. And press or switch on. We use the rubber bellow to purge all the coffee grounds. Then I will weigh again. Okay, 17 grams exactly. Then let's prepare our portafilter. It's already warm, just keep it dry. Your dosing cup and your portafilter, and just turn it upside down, then just a couple of taps. Alright, then I have a dosing ring, so to the clamp and then WTD. And a couple of taps. And start to remove your dosing ring. And just level with your hands. And we have here our distributor. So level our coffee grounds. Okay, it's already leveled. Then give it a tap. And clean up, just a bit of clean up. And let's reheat again. Keep the group head hot. Just press the single shot button. This will also keep your cup hot. Then insert your portafilter and your weighing scale. Just leave your steaming one. And your cup. It's already hot. Then there. Then we'll press and hold the double shot for about 10 seconds. Then I will start the timer. So our dosage is 17 grams. So I'm aiming about 35 grams espresso. Okay, let's start. Then release. Put in stop the timer. Okay, I have about 35 grams of espresso in 29 seconds. Okay. Here's your espresso. Then let's clean up your coffee grounds in the knockback. It's already clean. Then put it back. Then run blank shot, double shot. Because our drip tray is really small, so it will fill up. quickly, so I will use the milk jug for now. Okay, so our group head is clean. Then let's wash our milk jug. Then let's steam some milk, so I will steam the milk manually.